Welcome to this edition of Northeast Today. I'm Renitra Wilson.
And I'm Leverett Williams. Coming back from a break is a good time to be reminded about a few school rules. Here's Assistant Principal Denise Fowler.
Good morning, Cavaliers. I want to talk to you today a little bit about IDs, tardies, and dress code. So first thing, I just want to remind you for the dress code, as it's getting colder, you need to make sure everything's covered. Ladies, if you are going to wear leggings, you have to wear a shirt that is appropriate length. Your shirt needs to cover to about top of your thigh. It needs to cover your rear end. And those of you who are wearing jeans with holes in it, you must not show any skin above your knee. And I do know that some of you are wearing leggings under your jeans, which is great, but that does not mean you can have huge gaping holes in your jeans. Your holes or tears should be appropriate and not show the entire pair of leggings. As for IDs, as you have seen over this past week, we've done ID blitzes, we've been checking for your IDs. You must have a visible ID at all times. That means you need to have your ID attached to some type of clip or lanyard, and it needs to be on the outside of your clothing. So if you are at lunch and have a coat or a sweater on, you need to make sure that it's hanging on the outside. If you have an orange sticker, that orange sticker also needs to be visible at all times. The consequence for not having a visible ID is a detention. For those of you who may have misplaced your ID for the day and want that orange sticker will cost $1. We are assessing $1 debts for those orange stickers as well as an hour detention. So please be very mindful as you are packing up each morning and look for your IDs. Make sure you have it with you. If you truly have lost it, you need to come to the in-school suspension room before school, during lunch, or after school so that you can get a replacement lanyard and ID. Tardies. We are seeing an increasing number of tardies in the morning when you come to school as well as in between classes. You need to please make sure that if you are tardy, you are going to a tardy station that is close to your classroom. You may not take that time that you need to get a tardy pass and walk through the school and go to a tardy station that is a great distance from your classroom. It needs to be quick and you need to be expedient. Lunchtime, seniors. If you are leaving campus for lunch, please be mindful that it is a privilege. If you come back from lunch tardy on a frequent basis, you will lose that privilege. And also, seniors, while it is very nice to be kind to our underclassmen, you may not bring lunch back for underclassmen. You may not bring food that is from off campus to school for underclassmen. Juniors, at this time, there is no reason for you to leave campus during lunch. You do not have permission, but the time is quickly approaching. After January, you may apply to get permission to leave campus for lunch. Those applications will be available in the main office after January. Please be mindful, seniors, that if you are habitually late, you will lose that privilege, or if you are bringing food from off campus to our underclassmen, you will lose that privilege. You may speak to any of your administrators at any time if you have questions about IDs, dress code, or tardies. Please make sure that you are following the school rules.
Freshman House is still selling t-shirts until December 2nd. The short sleeves one are $8 and the long sleeves are $10. They will be sold before school, during lunch, and after school in Miss Main's room S106.
Anyone with a locker in the boys' varsity locker room must clean out their lockers by Wednesday, December 2nd. There are no exceptions. Anything left in a locker will be discarded.
Seniors, when you receive college acceptance, scholarship notices, or military appointments, please be sure you are notifying Dr. Epps. Keeping track of these achievements is important to our school.
That's it for this edition of Northeast Today, Cavaliers.
Have a great day.